Hi guys. So in today's session, we're gonna go through the two topics. That is the uh, so when you have the bank feeds imported from your bank, then there is always been chances that you have a wrong entries that could have been imported through the bank either, or maybe by mistake of your accountant or by the some technical issue could also be there. So the how you can exclude the banking transaction, and the another topic would be the bank center functionality. So we'll go through the how the bank center is looking like and what are the functionalities into it that you can manage your banks more properly, as well as whenever there is any bank errors are coming, then how you can deal with those kind of errors. So yeah, let's start with the our next topic, and that is the why excluding the transactions. So the main reasons for excluding your transaction is basically, and that is the one is either when you are connected your bank feeds, and there could be a chance that the date you might have taken wrong, or maybe for uh, Jan to March or something. Now you have already imported the bank feeds till February, okay, and by mistake you import the bank feeds again for from January or something. So in most of the cases, like it doesn't happen because QuickBooks takes your last transaction, that has been imported, and then from that date, it import the other transaction. However, there could also be a chances due to technical issue, or if you upload the bank your bank statement manually into the QuickBooks. So in those cases, there could be chances that you might have uploaded the same month again and again, or same transaction again and again, and that is leading to the duplicacy of transaction. And for that, it is necessary that you delete those transactions. And here, the QuickBooks give you that option as an exclusion. So that is the one reason that duplicate transaction could also be there. Second is you complete the reconciliation before clearing all the transaction from the bank feeds. So let's say that you have reconciled your transaction with the bank, and you say that okay, this transaction might not have come in the bank, okay, but your bank reco is done in any manner, okay, and that is leading you to problem of this, again, the unnecessary extra transaction. So to exclude those transactions, it is necessary to have some functionality, and that's where the QuickBook has come with exclusion of the transaction. So if you go into your banking, so it will come up first of all like something like this. So if you have not connected your bank account, simply you can start with connecting your bank account. And the second thing is you can upload the transaction. If you cannot able to connect your bank account, or let's say the QuickBook has the limit, or most of the software has this, that is you can only have a statement of maximum 4 months or something. Okay, so more than earlier of those transaction, most of the cases that you need to do it manually, and that is where you can import your bank transaction through some Excel CSV sheet, or let's see here what are the options it is giving. So yeah, it is giving all these options. You can upload maybe TXT file as well. To bring automatic transaction, you can check out, you can search for the bank that is available. If your bank is not available in the QuickBooks, then unfortunately you need to do it the manual upload of the transaction. So let's get back. Okay, so this is how you can connect your bank account. Once the bank account is connected, let's go into the sample company. Yes, so let's go into the banking. So this is basically the window you are seeing is the what they term this as a bank center. Okay, so this is a bank center basically. So in a bank center, you can have all those feeds coming here. Okay, now this feeds, let's say there is entry of this a rental which is coming again. Okay, and you want to exclude this transaction, that is, you, let's say that this is already booked into the our books of accounts, and you see that, oh, again this entry is here. Now let us understand this this segmentation. So the entries which are coming, all this is your bank statement. Okay, and which is uncategorized. So uncategorized would be in the for review tab, while the entries which you have posted or categorized will come under here in categorize option. So let's say if any entry in this tab of for review, if you have posted it, let's say you have matched it or add it, okay, then you will see this into categorize option. Okay, now, and if you see that this entry is already posted into the QuickBooks, this statement entry, and if it is still coming into your bank feed, then that is the extra entry, right? Then in that case, you can select that particular entry and you can exclude it. That means this entry will not be the part of the bank statement, and that's why your bank balance will also not match. That is also to be understand. If you have by mistake have added some entries again and again by duplicacy, then your bank balance will also not match, and this is the basic thing of the accounting that you would able to understand. You should be able to understand. Okay, so this is how you can exclude all the entries that is maybe extra, maybe by the technical issue, maybe you have uploaded again, or some other reason that could be there. Then you can delete, or you want to delete it by some other means. Let's say you have have some mistake in your account and you want to delete all the entries in the bank and you want to re-upload it and you want to recategorize those transactions. Then you can, again, all these entries you can select it, you can exclude it. Let's say if you have unmatched all the entries, then this is the way you can do it. Okay, so hope you guys able to understand that what is the importance of exclusion of entries from the QuickBooks in the bank feeds, which is a very basic thing. Still, it's important in terms of some owners or the accountants might not be knowing, and they would be wondering, how I can exclude all these bank entries, and that has been coming by the duplicate imports. So this is how you can do it. Now the next topic is, let's go into our, yes, the next topic is the functionality. So the first functionality is about you can reorder the accounts. So again, let's go. So how you can reorder the accounts. So reordering is basically, I can go here. So to go here, so here there is an option called reorder accounts. Okay, in this drop down, from here you can select the reorder the accounts, and let's say in this segment, you have 15 accounts, 15 bank accounts, and you're wondering, you want the, the main accounts to be on the top. Then you can select it. Let's say I want this, this MasterCard to be on the top. Okay. Then I can select it and drop it here. Or maybe checking you want, or the checking you want at the last. Then you can do so by dragging it up or down. So this is how you can reorder your accounts. Now let's move into the another topic, and that is the customizing the account names, disconnecting an account, update the bank feeds, and how to do the manual upload of bank statement, and then the errors. So how you can customize the names? So in this style, this is called the tile, account tile. Okay, so in this style, you have this pencil button. Click on it, edit the edit the account info, and from here you can change the name of the bank simply. So let's say you have the BOA account, and then you can simply write the BOA saving account. Okay, so you can save like this. Whatever maybe you want to add the number at the end. Okay, most of the problem is, I see the coming is here, that you don't know the numbers, bank numbers. So you can write here the 569 at the last. That's my bank account number. Okay, so that's how you can just define it. Like now you have a better idea. Okay, this is the number. Second is the how you can update your bank feeds. So anytime you have, you want to manage your connection, there is a break into your connection, you want to link it again, that bank, then again the same, go into your pencil, go into edit sign in info. Once I do that, okay, it's taking time. Okay, so basically, I don't know why it's taking time, because it's a sample company. So once you click here, edit in the, login info, then you can again reconnect your bank account if there is a, break into your bank account, or even if there is no break into account, you want to just have some other banks into the same bank, the other accounts into the same bank, then you can also come here and log in again, and it will ask you to add the other accounts as well. Now you can also update the bank feeds by simply like clicking the button here, and yeah, so you can see the banks are getting updated. And the another one is you can also manage your connections from here. And if you want to have the order checks, you can select the order checks from here. So upload a file. Again, I will show you that you can upload the manual transaction of the bank here. Let's say you have some cooperative bank or maybe some other banks where the connection facility is not available. And then you can do this manual upload. And from the manage connections, you can have the bank any added, or the already existing bank, you can manage it again. So one place to manage your linked accounts and data we get them from. So it is saying you don't have because it's a sample company, that's why. So now at the last point of this video, and that is about the errors. So the bank will have, there are different type of issues will come up, and I know that many of people who are using either QuickBooks, either Xero, either other softwares, um, the Wave, or many accounting softwares there, and they are all having this bank feed issue. Either their bank are getting down, maybe the server is down, maybe or some technical glitches there, some accountant have messed it up, or your person has messed it up. So in that cases that you have different kind of issues would be there, and the system will show the errors, the bank errors. Now you don't know what is that. So for that, I will give that in the description, the link for all the errors of your bank in the QuickBooks, and just select, and there is a link is there, and you can simply open the link and see that if your error is coming that of 103, okay, bank error, then just go here, open the link and see what is the solution for this error. Okay, and yeah, simply follow the guidelines that which is given already on this support page of the QuickBooks, which can help you to resolve as fast as possible, because rather than moving around to different pages and searching the forum and on the Google, this is the best guide. So this is the maximum error that is possible for the bank, and that's why it is so important that you have it in your system somewhere, saved it, so anytime this error comes for your bank, then you can open this error and you have the comprehensive guideline to mitigate it. So that's it guys for this video. Hope it could be useful to you in terms of understanding how you can exclude the transaction from your bank feeds, how you can connect your bank account, how to manage your bank accounts onto the QuickBooks, and the how you can ensure you can take the challenge of your bank errors and mitigate it easily. Okay, so at last, before going and closing on this topics, we always do that will show up on our website, and any of you want to have any bookkeeping or any services that you're looking for, then you can come on our website, and on the pricing tab you can just choose for the services that you want, and yeah, in the region you are, let's say you are in USA, Canada, or UK, select your region, just and order the services that you want. But before ordering, just remember to sign up on our portal to see the prices, otherwise you won't be able to see the prices. And the services, let's say you want for tax registration, you want for the bookkeeping, you can simply order on our portal the services, and the order will be auto generated, that is all being placed in our portal, and we'll get back to you and we'll serve you the best. So thanks guys for watching this video. See you in the next one.